Hello guys, good morning guys. Hi. Hello guys, good morning guys. I'm here at my kwarto guys, guys. So, exercising sa gamay guys. Today is Thursday morning guys. Maybe what time is it? I think 5 na, incoming 6. So guys, nagbatlo ng kape guys. So karon guys, mga pete guys to all morning. Grabe. Ang sarap talaga ka ng coffee kapag morning guys. Mainitan mo talaga ang buong katawan mo guys. So, good morning, kape na tayo guys.